What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Sharifa, and in today's vlog guys, guess what, we are making salmon recipe, salmon soup. In other words, if you love salmon, you are in the right platform. If you love smoked salmon, anything salmon, you are in the right platform. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share to your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. So in today's vlog or video I confused it too anyway. So in today's video I'm going to make a salmon recipe, just healthy, no oil, no anything. So stay tuned as I take you along in how to make salmon without oil. Okay, it's really amazing. Thank you. So guys, I will take my hot water and I will use this to steam, like steaming my broccoli. So if you have a steamer you can use one, but for me I'll just dip it in hot water for just a few minutes and cover it for like 5 to 10 minutes only. So I will remove my broccoli. It is steamed already. You don't need to overcook it because it will lose its health benefits. So I will just remove it one by one and keep it along with my other sliced items. Go through this water and I will use the same pan to make my salmon soup. So I'll take this water and I will add it in the pan and I will add other ingredients. I will add my vegetables, but before that you need to add some salt and take all your vegetables and add them all inside. Carrots, capsicum, onion, garlic, anything else you want to add. It's for me, I chose only these few because too much of anything can also be bad. So for it to not lose the taste, I just only put these few vegetables. So I'm going to boil this for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll dip in my salmon. So guys, this is my sliced pieces of salmon. Okay, I'm gonna cover this so it can boil so fast. So this is it, guys. So I will bring my salmon pieces. Remember guys, we are not adding any oil because salmon is already salmon is already, you know, it has a lot of fat, so I prefer not to add any oil. Or if you can add oil, you can maybe put some olive oil, yeah, if you want to. Well, for me, I'll just add it like it is. And I will cover it so it will boil for I think 5 to 10 minutes as well, because you know it's fish, so it boils so fast. You see guys, oh my gosh, it's really boiling. So this is it guys, it's almost finished, it's almost ready. Sorry, it's the right word to use. So I'll bring my broccoli and just put it on top to give it that, oh my god, that heavy cream or something. I don't know, I'm not good so well with English, but anyway, I think you can try to watch step by step how I've done this from the start. So I will cover this for 5 minutes only, and that's it guys. This is how it looks. Yes, we made it. So I think guys you liked the recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna try this home. You're gonna try this in your kitchen. I don't know, maybe for camping you can also take it with you and you know make it. It's really an amazing healthy soup. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I would like you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and leave a comment. Why not? Don't forget also to share. I'll see you guys in the next video.